My love, it's been a long time since I cried and left you out of the blue. It's hard leaving you that way when I never wanted to. Self-denial is a game, it's strange, I never would have wanted it until there was you. Because I have learned that love is beyond what human can imagine. The more it clears, the more I have to let you go. But I don't understand why I'm feeling so bad now, when I know it was my dear. I can't just deny the truth in light, but why I'm the only one standing stranded on the same ground?